climb there, we must make it safely. Alright? Come close, let me tell you about it. That's where we climb. We're gonna do a part of that. That's a commercial area. Over there they make the movie Cocktail, a part of it. Tom Cruise. They made a part of the movie over there, Cocktail. Yeah. It starts at the beach.
We hold. That's a different group. Oh, everybody's holding?
We're gonna hike our way up. We stay together as a team. Families and friends stay alongside each other. We hold hands together going up.
Okay, I see why they say pretty strong.
That way you get to make pictures with your friends and your family when we make different picture stuff. Yeah, man? Water slide. We're gonna slide down and go around and climb up. Ready? Yeah. Lay back. Wait right here.
Yep.
Back massage. Whirlpool. Baywatch pose and commercial area. Those are the activities today. When you get to those locations or those points, I'll let you know what you normally do there. Alright? Ladies, make sure you cover up. But if your coconut jump out when you're having fun, that guy zoom in. The dark rocks, we call them Mike Tyson. They'll knock you out. We clean the rocks in the morning with a wire brush. Some parts are green, some parts have the shade. Those are not the slipper ones. Sometimes you really have to walk on the slipper part, so please step carefully. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
Once you follow the old boy short, you will make it to the top.
Say yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Say yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
No boring stuff, no lame vibes. I'm asking you, please. You came here to get wet. You came here to have fun. We don't do no boring vibes in Jamaica, no boring stuff. I promise you, if you don't put a smile on your face, that water over there will make you do so. Say yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
My name is Jamoy and I'm here to capture your moments. I'm here to make you guys a full complete movie package while taking you some still photos. As your guide said, stick by your family. Photos will be immediate. That means you won't be seeing no one else but your immediate family or the individual that you took your photos with. No slipping, no sliding, no diving. If you decide to go down, it's my job, it's my duty. I will be there and I will catch you on my camera. So no one go down. Say yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Now remember, my life depends on it. I'm asking you, please. My boss take things super seriously. When you get to the top, you're gonna provide your name and your email. We send the photos and the movie to the email you're gonna provide in. Check your email. Make sure you provide the right email. I don't want to be no problem with my boss, and I don't want to be no problem with you. Have some fun. No boring stuff. No lame vibes. You're in Jamaica. Say yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's it. Thank you. Stick with us right over here. Let's go get wet.
Say, let's go get wet.
Say, yeah,
I'm talking about. Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Mr. Talk Baker again. In a dance music style. Your brother and your sister. Let's join the party. Stick your body with me. Ja, Rastafari. I let you see when people come.
Whoa.
Road is on top, the main road.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, main road.
Going down to the basic now, right?
Yeah, that's where the fence.
Okay. I'm taking my foot off, wrap that shit around my neck or something.
It can make you happy. Tungu Rapalagi. Let's take your body. This is dancehall party. It can make you
Yo,
happy.
I'm in my own group, though, because I ain't holding your hand.
Let's join the party.
No riding in the same, no riding in the same bobsled, and no holding hands.
Everybody on the dance floor.
Unless Shaw say we got
What you waiting for? Come, let's join the party.
Alright, here we go. Yeah.
Sing on.
Oh, What's your name?
Nilu.
What is it?
Nilu.
Nilu?
Yes.
Okay, I just wanted to know, because if I got to hold hands with you, at least I should know your name.
What are
I'm
yours?
Benjamin.
Nice to meet you.
Got it? Good. I thought it was going to be much deeper than that. I see you guys.
Next time I'll meet you. Ellen's over here. Crazy.
Come on, I'll direct you.
So, I don't need to stop if I don't want the pick, right?
You're gonna come there.
All right.
Pick right.
Yep.
Yeah, right up now. You're going top.
Okay, Rob. There's a step there, bro. Yo, that's deep right there. Good?
Yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Hold your hands up. Go, lay down. We call it the reggae run. Ready? 1,
Shit crazy. Water is coming down fast as fuck. See the wire brush mark?
Yeah, we'll use the brush and brush it in the morning.
Yeah, good shit. God, because I can't fall anymore.
I can't believe you're the only one who went back and I heard you fell, man. Are you good?
Yeah, oh yeah, I'm good. Good. Oh. No, it was the worst part about it was the camera wasn't turned on.
Yeah.
Thank you.
One by one.
Oh, it got cold again. The top of me is dry, it's freezing. Oh.
It's a stop right here.
Is it? Thank you for telling me, because I tell you I don't need to fall no more.
It's a stop.
Big. Oh, we made it.
It's a big, look my foot right here.
Oh, okay.
So you got
Good. You know what? Now I think you're making fun of me.
No,
Because I
I'm
fell.
being serious. I didn't even know you fell. I
No,
think
I'm
you
kidding.
did enough.
Kidding, I'm
But
kidding.
I thought you was just tipped in the
There's another one right there.
Yeah, be careful.
Almost went down again. Gotta go that way. Right. I already felt it. That's why I'm in a rush to get up out of here. But I had to climb to the top.
You did it.
Congratulations. You have just climbed
The
so
world
far.
famous Dunn River Falls.
That's because I'm old. I couldn't see that part.
You're not old.
No? How old do you think I am? Yeah.
In the 50s.
Thanks. I'm 50 years old. Have a good day. Record all these people. Hope y'all don't get hurt. Don't fall anybody else. All right, y'all. I made it. I did fall. I fell. But I did make it to the top. All right, y'all. I gotta get changed. We're going down to the beach. Get back to the ship. I gotta smoke a lot of weed. Right now. Now we out.